In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024. So first, let's open up a File Explorer. Go to your C drive here, and then in this C drive, just right-click and create a new folder. Name this folder Office 2024. Now you can exit out of here and open up your browser. Type in Office Customization Tool, and click on the first link. You'll be sent to this page. Under Products and Releases, just select your architecture minus 64-bit. Under Products or Office Suites, select the Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. And now just scroll down and make sure the update channel is set to Office LTSC 2024 Perpetual Enterprise and the version to latest. And under Apps, make sure you disable any apps that you already have. So I don't have any apps in this case, so I don't have to disable any of them. But if you don't want any of these apps included, then you can just disable them. So I don't want this or that, or publisher. And now you can just click next and select your language as well, your preferred language. So mine is English. Next, and click next. And then over here, you want to disable this option. And now you can just scroll all the way down to Application Preferences, open that up, and just click Finish. And now you want to click Export, select Office Open XML Formats, OK, accept the terms, and export. And now it's going to start downloading. It's going to say this file could harm your device, but don't worry about it. This is from Microsoft, so just click on Keep. And now you want to just open the containing folder in it. It's going to be right here. Just right click and then cut, and then go to where you saved that, where you made that new folder. So it's in my C drive. So let's go to our C drive, and then over here you'll find, okay, Office 2024. Open it, and then Control V or just paste it. And now you want to just minimize this. You want to close that, and over here you want to search for Office Deployment Tool, and click on the first link. Now download this, and now you want to open it in the folder. Right click, run as administrator, yes, and now it's going to start right here. Just accept the terms and then continue. And now locate where you've made that folder. So we made it in the C drive, so it's going to be inside this PC and then inside OS. Now you just look for it. So it should be right here. Yep. Just select it and then OK. Then OK. And now you can just close everything. And you can close this as well. Go to your folder. There's going to be these new stuff in your folder now. So what you want to do now is copy the path of this Office 2024 folder. Just click here and then Control C. And now open up the command prompt in Administrator. And now what you want to do is type in CD space, quotation, double quotation, paste in that path, and then close that quotation up. And then what you want to do is just hit enter. And now type in setup.exe/configure configuration.xml. Hit enter. And the installation will start. So if the installation somehow didn't work, then that means you have to uninstall your existing Office installation, because the program detected that you already have an installation, or your configuration.xml isn't actually called configuration. So notice how this is called configuration.xml. Just make sure that's what it's called. And that's about it. So just wait for the installation and we'll be right back. So once the installation finishes, you're going to get notifications and you're going to see this message. You can now close it, and when you search for Excel, for example, you can open it. And as you can see, you can just start using Excel. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.